This is an interesting problem. A container has 22 quarts of a mixture of water and alcohol, the alcohol comprising 25%. How much of the mixture must be drawn out and replaced by alcohol so that the container has a mixture that is 50% alcohol? When you first read the problem, it may appear confusing, so the first thing to do is to get a good picture of what the problem is asking. A container has 22 quarts of a mixture. Now, from this mixture, a certain amount of the mixture is going to be taken out and then replaced by alcohol, so that in the end the new mixture is 50% alcohol. So let's say that X is the amount of mixture taken out. So if X amount of the mixture is taken out, what is remaining in the container is 22 minus X. And we know that whatever is remaining, 25% or 1/4 of it is alcohol. So this is the amount of alcohol that remains after X amount has been taken out. Because when you take X out, 22 minus X remains, but only 1/4 of that is alcohol. Now we take X amount of the mixture out and then we add the same amount of alcohol into the solution. So to 22 minus X over 4, which is the amount of alcohol that remains, we take out X, but we replace it with alcohol. So the total amount of alcohol that remains, or that is in the container, after the X amount has been replaced, is what remained in the beginning, plus the X amount that was added, and this has to equal 50% of the 22 quarts, because in the end, the solution is 50% alcohol. So what is 50% of 22? It's half, or 11. And so we have established this equation. Let's multiply all the elements of this equation by 4 so that we don't have the divisor 4. So multiplying everything by 4, 4 times 22 minus X over 4 plus X times 4 equals 44. The 4 cancels. 22 minus X plus 4X equals 44. So 22 minus X plus 4X equals 44. Let's keep the variables on the left, move the numbers to the right. 4x minus x is 3x. And move the 22 to the other side, the sign will change. And so 3x equals 22. So to get x, let's divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 cancels. So x is 22 over 3, which equals 7 1/3 quarts. And we have found what x is. So here was the question. How much of the mixture must be drawn off and replaced by alcohol so that the container now has a mixture that is 50% alcohol? The answer is we must take out 7 1/3 quarts of the mixture and then replace 7 1/3 quarts of alcohol, and the new mixture will have 50% alcohol. Again, like the cavalry, algebra comes to the rescue.